For education today to be truly effective, students and teachers need to be engaged, motivated, and passionate about the content. The Siemens engineering curriculum is designed to meet those needs. It's a well-developed plan that supports teachers and students, as well as other critical decision-makers such as principals, curriculum directors, and state CTE directors. The curriculum is organized so each audience can easily find the information that is most relevant for them. It's been said that students cannot be what they cannot see. The Siemens curriculum program helps solve this problem. What makes it effective is that, unlike traditional learning where teachers lecture and students listen and take notes, this is project problem-based learning, which provides real-world, hands-on experience. There are many benefits to this type of learning. The first of which is that PPBL is not just theoretical and conceptual, so students won't be asking, "How will I ever use this?" Students can envision their future and develop a better understanding about working in engineering. The learning is inquiry-based and acquired by actively engaging and solving open-ended and relevant problems. Students lead the learning and teachers provide coaching and support. And while the students work in teams, each student is responsible for all the learning. One of the tools that is used to drive the richness of learning is Webb's depth of knowledge, which has 4 levels. As students work to understand, research, and solve problems, they apply what they have learned. The outcome is a much deeper level of knowledge. They move beyond just recalling information and conceptual knowledge to develop both strategic and extended thinking abilities, levels 3 and 4 on the Webb framework. What's the bottom line? The Siemens engineering design curriculum brings the real world into the classroom to give students an edge on the future. Let's look at the curriculum document. To optimize navigation, use Adobe Reader. Opening the document with a web browser or Adobe Reader allows the use of links and the ability to navigate to a specific page easily. The curriculum provides a guided approach to learning. Each project begins with an engagement scenario where students are placed in a real-world situation. This allows them to begin career exploration. The key components include learning standards, concepts, related research topics, a daily pacing guide, and rubrics for formative assessments. The curriculum has a table of major units and associated projects. The projects are broken down by quarter related to the content outline, where every major heading has a project associated with it. The purpose for the project and the major ideas and learning goals are also introduced. Each project evolves through the engineering design process. Creating a response to the essential question, students work through each phase, from brainstorming and research, testing protocols, sketching developing plans, creating digital prototypes, analyzing and improving, and documenting the process in an engineering report. Throughout the curriculum, there are links to resources and research to help students increase their knowledge and provide examples of reports and other tools. Assessment is an important part of a quality education program. The curriculum includes detailed rubrics that can be used by educators for both formative and summative assessment. The rubrics can also be shared with students at the beginning of a project, so they know what's expected of them. Each project concludes with a presentation to a live, authentic audience, and every student is involved with the presentation. The Siemens engineering design curriculum engages students with project and problem-based learning to help them develop critical thinking skills, and teachers have found it to be a valuable resource. We think you will too.